yet the mille paganyo muba pasa yet de paganyo pare kayini kani anati a good chain di payomu mewe na the ewe payone bamnu ne hequele payoclole nele tolo pele de ya da so de mu tele paganyo clo no lo mewe yakate paganyo clo yakate payoclo yakate colo waklo abamni cole what free kotule no bama even your kotule is free. You know, me and like army can airstrike you and can airstrike to cram place anytime they want. Don't you have dear current people? All you need to know it till now. I'm working for current people. Do it. I never scared you and I already making decision. I will fight you back till the end. Now Sky Moon. Bama Bama changing to the boy man, like a yini bazi am low wood. I make my bazaka piano. Bilong I don't have federal below Jim Woody or to alumune to do the brainwash slogan. No? My English bro, who care? Why you come and listen here? Think yourself, bitch. You are like stupid dog. Fool dog. Near quay you look like I look. New can't hold it. Nga do loginaga federal democracy. We need freedom not only for current people. We need people for Myanmar country, for all ethnic people. Na bako again. Na he all of wakanyo talo. Na talo kole ta over. Na talo ole tamilo. No? Na mitele did of wakanyo po the pana. Tagawabu. Come back and fight for freedom. If you are current, where are you now? Who are you? Why are you still there?